Our today's video is on structuralism. Structuralism was a literary theory which is based on a system of ideas used in study of language, literature, art, anthropology, and sociology that emphasize the importance of the basic structure and relationship of that particular subject. It is primarily concerned with understanding how language works as a system of meaning production. How does language function as a kind of meaning machine? It is a 20th century intellectual approach. Ferdinand de Saussure was a founder of structuralism. According to de Saussure, every language has different signs and these signs are composite of signifier and signified. These signs give the meaning to the text. We cannot study the text in isolation. We gave the concept of langue and parole. Langue is the grammar rules, system and structure of the language, and parole is the act of utterance. For more learning, do subscribe the channel Knowledge Park, like the video, share the video and press the I bell to stay updated. Thank you.